In this video, we will show you how to request an earnest money deposit as a listing agent through a buyer's agent. To start, navigate to your Deals page and click on Request Payment for Sale. Select Earnest Money Deposit. Enter the property address associated with this payment. Smarty will auto-populate property addresses in your area as you type. Select your role as the listing agent. Click on Continue. Enter the dollar amount you would like to request. You can request up to $250,000 per transaction. Select a deadline for this payment. We'll send 3 email reminders to the buyer's agent and the payer. Now choose a destination for this payment. Send the payment directly to your company's escrow account, or click on Another Recipient to redirect the payment to another escrow holder like a cooperating real estate company, attorney, or title company. Click on Continue. You can request this payment directly from the payer or through a buyer's agent. The buyer's agent does not have to have a DepositLink account to participate in this process. We'll request this payment through a buyer's agent. Enter the buyer's agent's information. Click Continue. This page is optional. Click on Add Recipients to share payment statuses and receipts with other parties like mortgage brokers and attorneys. Click on Continue. Review details and click on Request Payment. A request has been sent to the buyer's agent's email address to connect their client for payment. Click on Copy Link to text this request to the buyer's agent. Click on the Deals tab to see your new deal for 789 Adams Street. Click on View to see the deal detail page for 789 Adams Street. Click on Transactions to track this payment in real time. The status of this payment will update automatically on the Transactions page, and you will receive email notifications after the payer makes the payment and the payment clears. Thank you for using DepositLink.